until today, Bella has not been a swimmer. She has been just, doesn't want to go past her shoulders. But now, her and Holly's been down here playing off and on a little bit, and she's been getting a little bit braver. And now she's finally reached that point where she'll go in here. There's a deep spot. Go swim a little bit. She's having fun. Good girl. Are you a swimmer now? That makes me happy. There it is. Good girl. Gets a little shallow there. It's Skull Island. You see that little green skull on the stick there? That's Skull Island. Go, Bella, go. That makes me happy. Ready? Bella. Bella, ready? Oh, oops, I should have got that. Holly's one just runs and jumps, just splash. Good girls, huh? You have a good time playing. Oh, I missed it again. Go, Bella, go.
Good girl, Bella.